In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style the Mailchimp unsubscribe survey. Let's dive right into it. When working with Mailchimp, it's important to understand that while you can't style the unsubscribe survey itself directly, you do have the ability to customize the unsubscribe success page. This is the page where the survey appears, creating an excellent opportunity for you to project your brand's aesthetics. Alternatively, you have the option to redirect users to a custom page on your website for a seamless experience. First things first, head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, we're going to navigate to a tool that will allow us to make the necessary changes. You'll want to go to your audience section within Mailchimp. From there, find and click on Sign Up Forms. This is a crucial part of the process as it opens the door to edit various forms associated with your audience. Now that you're in the form section, locate and select the Form Builder option. The Form Builder is a versatile tool that allows you to manage various forms and related pages, including our target for today, the unsubscribe success page. Once you're in the Form Builder, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the unsubscribe success page. This is the page we will be customizing. It serves as a confirmation page for users who have chosen to unsubscribe from your communications. Next, let's move on to editing the page to fit the message and look you desire. Here, you have the choice to customize the text, adjust the layout, and really make it your own. Think about what you want users to experience and the message you wish to convey once they land on this page. Remember, this is a great chance to leave a lasting impression. As you continue building out the page, focus on its design aspects. Consider changing the background color to better match your brand's identity, alter the fonts, and tweak other visual elements. These small changes can make a big difference in how professional and on-brand your page appears. Finally, we have the translation step. If needed, edit the text options of the survey. Although Mailchimp doesn't allow you to add or remove the survey reasons, you can modify the way it's worded to better suit the tone of your brand or the language preference of your audience, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively style and personalize the Mailchimp unsubscribe success page, ensuring it's as informative and visually appealing as the rest of your brand. This approach not only maintains your brand's continuity, but also shows your attention to detail, even at the point of unsubscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to tackle this task in just a few minutes.